Andisa, CEO Robo Bionics, got an idea of working on developing a prosthetic hand while he was pursuing an M.Tech degree at the Indian Institute of Technology, Patna. In 2014, Levlin met a batchmate who did not have a limb since birth. Levlin, being a robotics student, got curious seeing the struggle, and this is when he decided to develop an artificial hand, which led him to eventually found Robo Bionics, a startup that offers a range of affordable prosthetics. Started in December 2016 by Levlin, Kumari Priyanka, Anil Nair and Ozden Maska Denhas, has developed an affordable artificial hand that can touch and feel.
It is a entirely designed and made in India product. When we compare Grippy to any imported device, the imported devices cost upwards of 10 lakhs going all the way to 25 lakh rupees per unit. And that is a difficult proposition for many of us. It is almost a fifth of the cost of those devices, and being made in India, being serviceable in India, it is a benefit to the end user.
Grippy is the artificial arm created by the startup, which is designed, manufactured and assembled in India. Grippy is a 3D printed prosthetic hand with a sense of touch and multi-grip control, designed, engineered and proudly made in India. Grippy is the world's first semi-bionic hand with sense of touch that is as simple to use as a doorbell.
We have taken the utmost care that even a person from the village, if they are using a device, for a basic maintenance, the device doesn't need to come to us, but it can be taken to even a local watch repair shop and it can be serviced.
Robo Bionics was started with a vision to build a company that would strive to improve human lives so that the human spirit would never feel broken. Robo Bionics has fitted over 50 units of Grippy across Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and New Delhi. Immediate plans include Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This innovation is truly a blessing for people who have lost their hands. Shishir Shala's report, DD India.